Leo, Leo, Leo. So, money reading po, new segment. So, for the month of March, tignan po natin yung money situation. Leo, okay? So, 3 card spread. 3 card spread. Tatlong card po pipiliin ko. Tignan natin kung ano yung message sa'yo ng tarot. Money reading. Okay, first card. First card, ano po yan? Yung current situation natin. Reality check. Tignan natin kung saan yung source of cash mo. Okay? Let's see. Leo. 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 One card. March for March. Para ano po yan? Kailangan mapaplano po natin yung ano natin. Yung pera. Kasi mahirap ang buhay. Okay, we need to be practical and realistic. Yeah, yan yung papasok na. Pwede na kaya ako mag-resign? Kaya ko na ba? Or kaya ko bang magretiro na? O kaya ko ba bang pag-aralin yung anak ko? O mangungutang ako? Yeah, we need to know that po. Kasama yan. So, I want to make this a regular guide. Yeah. Nothing ano, free will po, free will. Okay. First card, Leo, current reality. Tignan natin. Okay. Tignan natin yung situation mo now. Okay. Yeah, major shift. Okay. Meron kang pinaghugutan. So, this is powerful. Okay, tignan natin. You need to try to review yung money situation mo now, okay? Medyo masalimuot yata. Okay, that's your your first card. Okay, second card. Ito yung obstacle. Obstacle that you need to be cautious. Okay? Oops. Tingnan natin. Okay. Tower card, first card. Yan yung current reality mo. Yan yung situation mo now. Second card, obstacle. Okay? Ito yung mga pagkagagastusan, ano yung mga dapat mong paglaanan, paghandaan, at mga signs na you need to Okay. Okay. The Chariot, you're dealing with Cancer and also a Scorpio. So, tingnan natin yung third card. Okay? You have current reality, okay, current situation, yung inflow mo, the Tower. Second card is your obstacle. Tignan natin yung third card, okay. Ito yung solution, okay, solution or outcome. Okay, one card. For March, okay? For March po, para alam natin yung energy ng pera for the month of March. Makapag-prepare tayo kung sakaling kailangan tayo magtitipid, kung kailan tayo manghihiram, kung saan natin kukunin yung, dahil parang ano din po yan sa yung pinag-aaral natin yung mga anak, yeah? Kung may tinutulungan ka, alam mo kung kailan ka magbabayad ng tuition fee, kailan ka magbabayad ng insurance, kailan ka magbabayad ng pambili ng uniforme, at kung kailan ka mananahimik. Okay, Leo, one card. Tingnan natin yung solution or yung growth. Yung growth na tinatawag. Kung may gano'n kang pwedeng isave sa bangko for the month of March. Yeah, okay. Third card, okay. Yeah, Knight of Pentacle. Okay, so current situation mo now, you need to review your situation, money situation. Okay, so ang dami mong pinagkagagastusan yata. Yeah, you need to magsimula ka ng mag-accounting or mag-bookkeeping. Yeah? Hindi mo alam kung saan mo kukunin o saan mo gagastusin. Basta pagkuha mo na lang parang yung papasok sa'yo nakaalam mo na kung saan paglalaanan. Chariot, okay? Out of control ka. Ayun ang dito. Out of control ka. So, yung Sphinx, papunta rito, yung isa papunta sa kabila, okay? Yan yung mga binge shopping, or kasama na rin dyan yung mga emergency, yeah? Kasi wala kang proper accounting dito. Maglista ka, Okay? Be practical. Be practical on this one. So kung halimbawa nagtatrabaho ka, alam mo yung sweldo mo, okay? Fixed na salary. Kung may negosyo ka, hindi stable yung negosyo. Kung kailan may order, kung kailan mayroong proyektong darating, or kung kailan may darating halimbawa kung professional ka na customer, okay? Kung regular employee ka, alam mo yung fixed salary mo, okay? Meron kang obligasyon, definitely. Pero, ano mo siya, this is budgeting, take control, okay? The chariot, hawakan mo yung itim at saka yung puting sphinx, mag-cut ka ng cost, yeah? Kasi ito yung gumaganyan-ganyan, kapag yung kabayo papunta sa kanan, papunta sa kaliwa, di ba ang salimuot, bibili ako nito, ay hindi ako bibili, maghahanap ako ng sale, ay hindi ko na bibili, sa susunod na lang, ay magtitipid ako ngayon, hindi ko gagastos yan, ay okay, bam. So, mabigat yung lalo na babagal yung dating ng pera. Okay? So, nothing wrong. Kung importante, you can spend. Wala pong problema, pero hindi ka nagkakaroon ng proper monitoring ng resources mo. Yeah? So, ito yung nanghiram ka sa biyenan mo, nanghiram ka sa manugang mo, kulang pa rin yung sahod na mo ngayon. You need to change that mentality. You need to change that attitude. Hindi ka in control actually. Hindi ka in control sa resources mo. Outcome, okay, growth, siguro aabutin ka pa ng Knight of Pentacles, okay, naabutin ka pa rito ng siyam-siyam. Parang nilalaglag mo lang yung pera sa wala. Okay? So, I do not know ano yung situation mo now, Leo. Pero for the March, okay, I don't see any growth here. I need to be honest with you. Okay, I don't see any growth here. Unless i-contain mo yan. Yeah? So, kung kailangan mo magtsani ka. I always say that sa tarot reading ko. Kung kailangan mo magtsani ka. Ito yung excess fat na pwede mong lutuin para ipanggisa pa. Okay? That's how you gonna, talagang aanohin mo, kakayurin mo yung buto ng nilaga para makakain kayo lahat. That's how it is. Okay? March would be a little tight. You need to be, aware of that. Maging practical ka. You have the Knight of Pentacles here. Sinasabi ng Knight na Leo, okay, hindi namumunga yung pera sa damuhan. Hindi siya pinupulot sa damuhan, okay? Mag-proper accounting ka dito. Magsulat ka sa journal kung anong pagkagagastusan mo kasi hindi mo alam, sali-salimuot ka yung kung gumastos ka parang walang bukas. Yeah? Hindi ka in control. If you're dealing with Cancer or a Scorpio, okay? Scorpio, death and rebirth. Alam niyang mag-transform. Alam niya kung paano magtitipid at iinom na lang ng tubig para makatipid. Okay? Hindi na kailangan bumili ng soft drinks. Alam niya kung kailan siya gagastos at matutulog na lang para yung relaxation niya dadaanin lang sa tulog. Hindi manonood ng sine, manonood na lang ng YouTube. Ganyan yan. Okay? So, take control. Hawakan mo yung rein yung kabayo. Ganyanin mo para dumiretso. Ayusin mo. Yan ang obstacle mo for March. Okay? Mag-accounting ka na and start building. Mag-start ka na for pag after ng Lunar New Year. Yeah? So, simulan mo yan and watch that pentacle grow. Pero, marami kang pagdadaanan na dapat mong solusyonan. Financial. Yeah? All financial in nature. So, be ready. Be ready for the month of March. Tignan natin. Kuha ko ng isang validation. Quick validation. So March, gusto kong i-chop po yung energy kasi mahirap magbasa ng buong taon, very fluid, but I want to capture monthly. Kaya kaya gumawa po ako ng money reading every month for all the sign. Okay? So, para alam niya kung kailan po magtitipid. Ganyan po sa opisina, sa kumpanya, kaya may budgeting. Ginagawa yan buong taon, tapos binabalikan kung kung buwan-buwan. Okay, yeah, okay. Ito yung Four of Cups, okay? Huwag maselan. Okay? Huwag maselan. Okay? So, saan nanggagaling yung word na huwag maselan? Yeah? Merong, okay, kung suporta or kung nagigipit ka, okay, you can always have somebody to help you. Pero, huwag kang maselan. Huwag kang mapili. Huwag kang mapili. Yeah? Huwag kang mapili. Yun ang some validation for you. So, money reading, Leo, for the month of March, maglinis ka ng libro mo, ng gastusin mo, magsulat ka sa papel, ilista mo yan starting March, simulan mo na ngayon, kontrolin mo yung gastos mo, sali-salimuot, okay? Merong reality, meron pa yan, actually, meron ka pang mabubunot, okay? Pero not everything, yeah? Meron ka pang maisusubi, okay? Start planting that, yung savings mo. Kapag itinabi mo na yan, huwag mong hugutin, pabayaan mo siyang lumago. Huwag mong hugutin, maski na maliit yan, 100, 200, itabi mo. Itanim mo yan, itanim mo na pabayaan mo siyang lumago, okay? At huwag kang mag-inarte. If you need help, you need to ask help. At saka, meron naman tutulong, okay? So, you're going through some emotional, din dito, chaos. This is chaos. Ay, hindi ko na iso-sugarcoat po. Kapag meron ka iniinda, lahat yan maapektuhan, but in control. Yun ang obstacle mo. You're not in control. Yeah? So, there is a solution. Magtitipid ka for the month of March. Wala kang gagawing unnecessary gastusin. Yeah? Okay. So, Leo, that's your money reading for March. So, salamat. See you again.